What can I do to keep my dog or cat healthy? When people find out that I am a veterinarian, this is usually the first question they ask. Hello, I'm Dr. Bill Barnett. The answer to better health lies in understanding what it is that can make our pets sick. Once we know what makes them sick, we can begin to defend their health. Pet health is usually defined as the absence of disease, but I believe we should strive for something more, what I call optimum health. So what exactly is optimum pet health? In my eyes, it is an active, playful pet with noticeable energy, a lean, muscular body, healthy skin and shiny hair coat, mentally sharp, alert, and responsive, all systems of the body functioning at peak performance, a balanced immune system, absent of any clinically defined disease, and free of any age-related degenerative disease. There are three primary factors that determine the health, well-being, and length of life of your pet. They are genetics, environment, and nutrition. Of the three, nutrition is the easiest for most pet owners to control and typically offers the fastest and most dramatic results when done right. I have dedicated my entire life to discovering how to help the animals in our lives achieve the best possible health. So I am delighted that you are here and that you care enough to take a little time to learn how to help your pet have a longer and happier life.